How to change Shopify store name. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and then navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen and then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Then click on store details, and from the basic information section click on the edit button next to it, and under store name you will be able to change your store name to whatever name you want. Say for example, you can set this new store. Just pick a name that suits you the best, and once you do that, click on the save button at the top right of the screen and the changes will be saved. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your store name on Shopify. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.